Hello my internet friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see NumPy axis. So what are its types and what is NumPy axis? It is one simple topic but important, so don't skip it. So NumPy axis. NumPy axis means they are direction along the rows and column. I know it is uh, hard to understand this, but I will explain with one example. So we will take one example, for example, like coordinate system. In coordinate system, there are two axes, means x and y coordinate. So similar way, in our NumPy array, there are also two types of coordinates which are called axes. So in two-dimensional array, this axis works in two direction, which are rows and column. So that rows and columns are called as axis 0 and axis 1. So these are two types of axis. We will see this with one image. Let's say we will find, I will write NumPy axis and let's see one image. So it will be easy to understand. Okay, I will take this one. So this image has 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 rows and 5 columns, so it is an 3 by 5 matrix. So you can see axis 1 and axis 2. So there are two axes which are axis 0 and axis 1. So 0 axis, if we take 0 axis, so this works along row side. So rows, you can see rows, and it is also called as first axis, and this axis runs vertically downwards. So you can see this arrow which is going vertically downwards, and it works along row sides. So if you see, it will, let's say, addition or any sum, so it will add these rows column wise and it will give us one new row. So similar way, axis 1, so if we take axis 1, it will work along column side and it goes horizontally. So if we take addition, so it will add these rows, this row, and it will give us one new column. So these are two types of axes. So let's see with example. So let's code it. So I'm in the same file numpy1, and in this first example we will see of axis 0. Before that, I will create one array. First I will import numpy as np, shift enter, and then I will create one 2D array. Let's say I will take x as a variable, and then I will make one 2D array. So in first bracket I will write 1 2 3, and then I will take one more row, let's say 4 5 6, and one more 7 8 9. So this is our 2D uh, array. So I will create one array now, np dot array x array. So you can see our 2D array which is having uh, 3 rows and 3 columns, so it is 3 by 3 matrix. So first we will see axis 0. So for this I will take this array dot, and I will take one attribute which is sum. So in detail we will see about sum in next section, but for information, keep in mind that this sum attribute, it adds the sum of all these elements column wise and adds a new row to it. So this adds column wise and adds a new row to it. So if we take example of sum, and then I will pass axis equal to 0. So I have passed axis is equal to 0. Now let's see the result. So you can see one new array. So this is you can see this is addition of this column. So 7, 4 plus 1, 12, 2, 5, 8 gives 15, and 9 plus 6 plus 3 gives us 18. So this adds this sum adds the elements, and we have passed axis 0. So it adds this all, like this first column, second column, third column, and gave us one new array. So this is not one array, means this is one new row. So it is added as a new row. So I will just show you. So this is what it looks like. So we'll add this, and yes, so this is what our final output looks like. So it adds this and this and gave us one new row. So if similar way we see axis 1, so in that I will take this same array and I will just pass axis is equal to 1. So you can see now 6, 15 and 24 new element. So it added so this sum adds the elements, and due to we have passed axis 1, so it has added row wise and gave us a new one column. So if we take 3, 1, 2 plus 3 gave us 6, 4, 5, 6 gave us 15, and 9, 8, 7 gave us 24. And it will final output will look like this. So we are having 3 by 3 matrix. Now it will be 4 rows and 3 rows and 4 columns, 3 by 4 matrix. So 6, then 15, and then 24. So this will be our final output. This is how it will look. It added one new column to our array. So this is how axis 0 and axis 1 works. It is just a simple working with axis, and but it is important when we do higher calculation and all, so it is used and it is important. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take care.